tell me about that transition, because I've talked to a few people who've made that same exact transition. You're talking about the audit to TAS internally. And I know for some people it was super hard. Other people it was like not that hard. I'd love to hear just your experience. Did you have to network for like a year or a couple of years? Did you just work on a few things with the TAS team and then eventually they liked you and brought you over? How did it exactly work out for you?
I mean, thankfully, not a year of not a lot of networking involved there, but I will say I did knock on a couple of the doors, and a lot of people were like, "Yeah, look, we're kind of small and we're very agile and we're very top heavy. You need to have an MBA or a certain amount of banking experience to get in this." So a lot of it was just meeting people, learning about what the team does, what they and sort of how they're structured and the work they have.
So they were basically telling you no for a while, for a little bit at least.
Yeah. In fact, when even before I got into audit, when I was talking to the recruiter, I told him, look, this is not my first preference. And he said, yeah, but TAS, this is what they're looking for. And you don't have any of that in terms of an MBA or work experience. And so it's not the first time I heard a no, but that didn't deter me. The opportunities.
So the recruiter was right. And in a way, you got your foot in the door.
Yeah.
With audit. Okay. And then, I mean, I've heard it's sometimes tough. So you were still hearing no a little bit, like even once you were internal.
Yeah. And that's why you just got to be persistent, right? Like I knew, like 5 to 10 years out, right? I didn't see myself being a partner of an audit practice. Sure. I saw myself being, on the deal side of things, and that persistence just kicks in. You want to make that happen, ASAP. So it's just a matter of talking to more people and not being discouraged by hearing a no.